I used to travel overseas on the cruise ships, but when I come back home, my hip give problems, so I'm back home not doing anything. My sister was doing the soup before, and said she couldn't manage the night and the day thing, so she gave me the opportunity to start the soup, and I've been doing that since. I'm a professional meat cutter. When I got in the meat business, my uncle was a meat cutter, a butcher at his own meat shop. So as a young child coming up, you know, you mess around more time. I would take the knife and cut the meat just like that, and he would say that, stop cutting the meat like that and learn to cut it. And that's how I start cutting it, get to love it. So for me, you put on the carcass of cow before me, and I put it right down to the plate size. Whatever cut you want from it, I can do it. Still loving it because arthritis is messing me up. I can't move around that fast anymore, so I leave it alone. One of the most encouraging and rewarding thing about cooking food is when your customer tastes it and loves it. Wow, this is nice. But when a customer comes by, I say, that's what your body know, and it's encouraging. That's why I keep going. I have customers that come from far and wide. A lady came here from Harborview, so she drove all the way from Harborview come for the soup. A gentleman was coming from Greater Portmore. Just those kind of reactions when they taste the soup really is encouraging and lifting for me. You understand? So you know that you are doing something good, because so many times for me, I'm saying that it's only God. Because so many times I taste the food, I do have it taste to me. My advice for people who think of starting their own business, you'll never know. Try. Do it to the best of your ability. Don't just go in just for the money. Do it to the best of your ability, because I am here now and yam go up to all $450 a pound. I have to buy it same way. I can't raise the soup. But just to give the people something with substance. Don't just go in just for the money. Go in to please your customer. One of my most memorable moments was when a young lady came to me and told me that she dreams of me. So I started thinking negative things. But when she explained to me, it was something different. She was saying that dreams to me, she came to buy some soup and she couldn't get you to how long the line was. And to my surprise, by the day finished, I don't know where the crowd came from, and I sold out that day.